In 2016, Robotical introduced the world to Marty the Robot. Since then, Marty has sold in the thousands across more than 50 countries and helped countless people learn about robotics and programming. Launching Marty the Robot taught us just as much as Marty has taught our wonderful users, and now Robotical is ready to launch Marty version 2. If you've not been introduced, let's change that. Marty is our first educational robot, a walking robot friend to help children learn about programming, robotics and engineering. Marty walks, turns, kicks and dances with a unique 3-motor and spring-leg design. Kickstarting coding capabilities from drag and drop block coding with Scratch to advanced languages like Python, while the ROS interface and open APIs open doors for advanced users. Marty makes learning come alive. So, what's new, Marty? Yes, you V2. Marty V2 is bigger, bolder and even more functional. We've added sound, Bluetooth and USB, smart servos, new sensors and loads more. Marty V2 is tougher too, withstanding the bumps of early robot life. 9 metal-geared smart servos sense position and let Marty copy poses and movements you demonstrate. Marty's new modular expansion system means you can add all sorts of sensors for distance, colour, lines, noise and light, and learn more about electronics. Add extra motors for elbows, roller skates or grabbing hands, and every motor has built-in force sensing and position feedback. Acceleration and tilt sensors help Marty interact with the world. Marty can sense obstacles and detect beacons and other Martys. Optional colour sensors enable screen-free programming. Build, play, program, expand. Marty takes you on a learning journey. You can customise your Marty's look and make Marty repeat sounds and phrases with the built-in speaker. Adding a Raspberry Pi and camera is really quick, and you can 3D print custom parts. And of course, Marty loves dancing more than ever. Activities, tutorials and loads of lesson plans help everyone learn. But we're also working on a new learning platform to guide learning, manage robots and track progression. Whatever your age or robotics knowledge, Marty the Robot lays the groundwork for the engineers and scientists of the future. And Marty's massive personality makes the journey memorable.
With your help, we can bring our new Marty to more homes and schools worldwide and keep inspiring today's children to become tomorrow's engineers and scientists, whether they're already on their path or it starts just around the corner. So together, let's make learning come alive.